I am in Casa Verde Beach at Monterey Bay, California. Is it Earth so beautiful? Did you know that Earth is 4.5 billion years old and humans have only been on Earth for about 200,000 years? Although we've only been on Earth for such a small amount of time, we made a great impact on Earth. A negative impact, that is. While it's hard to get a hand on exactly how the choices we make every day affects the environment, there's no question that our lifestyles, our cars, our need for more farmlands, and our love for all plastic stuff are putting the hurt on ecosystems all over the world. First of all, human activity is a major threat to the plant's biodiversity. This is because human population growth thus far has been exponential, meaning that its growth rate stays the same regardless of population size. This makes the population grow faster and faster as it gets larger. This threatens biodiversity because the more humans there are, the more this displaces other species and reduces species richness. In addition, the current climate change Earth is facing is caused by the increase in global temperatures. Human activity is changing Earth's atmosphere faster than it has ever changed during its history. A lot of human activity has caused large amounts of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide and methane, in the atmosphere. Higher concentrations of greenhouse gases trap more heat in the biosphere and result in global warming. In turn, this drives climate change. One human activity that is affecting Earth is land use. Humans are destroying natural landscapes as they mine resources and urbanize areas. This is harmful as it displaces residing species, reduces available habitats, and food sources. Do you see all these fields behind me? Well, all this area used to be fields, but they destroyed the fields to create these homes over here. So destroying the fields destroyed habitats and food sources that the ag fields provided. Another human activity that is affecting the environment is the introduction of species. Humans are intentionally or unintentionally introducing non-native species into ecosystems. This can negatively affect an ecosystem because the introduced species may outcompete native organisms and displace them. Another example of human activity that is affecting the environment is resource exploitation. Humans are constantly consuming resources for their own needs. Some examples include the mining of natural resources like coal, the hunting of fish and animals for food, and the clearing of forests for urbanization and wood use. An example is overfishing. Overfishing is the removal of a species of fish from a body of water at a rate that the species cannot replenish in time, resulting in the species either becoming depleted or very underpopulated. Domesticated animals are also affecting the environment. The second most important greenhouse gas after carbon dioxide is methane, and it is produced by cattle, dairy cows, buffalo, goats, sheep, pigs, and horses. The term pollution refers to any substance that negatively impacts the environment or organisms that live within the affected environment. The five major types of pollution include air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, light pollution, and noise pollution. Car pollutants cause immediate and long-term effects on the environment. Cars emit a wide range of gases and solid matter causing global warming, acid rain, and harming the environment and human health. Car pollution is one of the major causes of global warming. They emit carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases which contribute one-fifth of the United States' total global warming pollution. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere which causes worldwide temperatures to rise.
I'll meet you there. Oh,
Stop!
Excuse me, what do you want?
Why don't you carpool with him?
I don't know, why?
Well, if you're both going to the same place, you might as well take one car instead of taking two cars and polluting the air with all this CO2 emissions.
But why?
Because we gotta save the earth.
Fine, okay. I'll wait for him, I guess.
Are we gonna call for?
Hurry up! Alright, you put your seatbelt on, safety first. Save the earth!
Stop! What are you doing?
Throwing the trash away.
But why? Why are you throwing this in the trash?
Well, doesn't everything go in the garbage can?
No, this is plastic. Plastic should go in the recyclable.
Oh, okay, that makes sense. Okay, here we go.
Hey, thank you. High five.
Yeah. I don't want to go to work today. Crappy weather. Alright, well, let me drive to work.
Stop. Stop.
Not you again.
Excuse me, do you live right there?
Yes, that's my house.
And you drove to work?
I don't see the problem.
Well, since you live right there, maybe you could walk or even ride a bike.
Oh.
We need to decrease air pollution and the emissions of CO2 that's going in the air. So maybe you should walk or bike next time.
Oh, okay, I will. I'll buy next time.
Have a nice day, sir.
Too.
Wait, what are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? I'm drinking my Starbucks.
We gotta save the turtles!
What do you mean, save the turtles?
Yeah, these plastic straws you're using for Starbucks drinks, they're ending up in the ocean and marine life are eating them. The turtles are think it's food and they're eating them and it's getting stuck in their noses and they're dying.
You know what? You're right. I didn't think about that.
Yeah, so instead of using a cup with a straw like this, you could ask for a sippy cup like this. So instead of using a straw, you could use this lid.
Oh, I didn't know that was an option.
You know what's a better option? Bam!
What are those?
This is a hydro flask. It's a reusable cup. So instead of getting these plastic cups every time you come to Starbucks, you could bring your own reusable cup and they will put your coffee or drink in this instead.
Oh, okay. I think I might invest in one.
Saving turtles one cup at a time. So another solution to the increase of CO2 emissions is getting an electric car. Like these Teslas right here, they run on electric power instead of gas. We really need to save our Earth. So what are you going to do to help save this planet?